Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to multiply decimals by base 10 numbers. So I'm going to do two examples today. The first one is 3.6 times by 1,000. Now we know that any time you multiply something by a base 10 number, so a base 10 number is anything that starts with a 1 and ends in a 0. So we've got 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Any of these numbers we call base 10 numbers. So we've got our number here, and if we have a look at our 1,000, it's got 3 zeros, which means that we're going to be moving our decimal place 3 places. So our original number is 3.6, and we're going to times it. So we're going to make it 1,000 times bigger, which means that we're going to be moving our decimal place to the right. So we pick up our decimal place and we jump 1 jump, 2 jumps, and 3 jumps, because there are 3 zeros in 1,000. We're going to put in our zeros to hold place, and we're going to erase that decimal spot because it's now landed here. Our new number is 3,600. If we look at another example, I've got 0.6295, and we're going to times that by 7,000. Now you might ask yourself, this is a really tricky sum. But if we do it in the 2 steps, we know that we can succeed. So we start with writing it as we would in class, 0.6295, and we're only going to times it by 7 because there is a 7 groups of 1,000 at the top here. So if we go through and times that, we'll end up with 4.4065. But that's only times 7. That's not times 7,000. So now we need to multiply that number, 4.4065, by 1,000 using our base 10 rule. So we don't actually need to write it out like that. We can use our base 10 rule, which says that 1,000 has got 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3, and our decimal point lands there. Because our decimal point has landed between the 6 and the 5, our new solution is 4,406.5.